Hey, I'm Peter.
And I'm Ben. We're the chefs at Here Now Brewing Company in beautiful Honesdale, Pennsylvania.
Yeah, and we're gonna show you a couple dishes that we do here and everything that goes in, and it's gonna be fun.
May even have a beer or two while we're doing it.
We're gonna portion the dough at this point. And just trying to get a precise measurement here. When we're rolling them out, just trying to, not mash down or anything. Just let the dough kind of work with the dough a little bit.
How many of these would you say that you've done over the last 4 years now?
In the 4 years, I don't think it's saying too much that I've probably done 10,000 pizzas. Yeah, we just wrap it up and we're good to go. Everybody kind of has a different style of stretching dough. I'm not one of those people who will just throw it up in the air, and it's a little flashy for my taste. Our little secret touch here, we got a little bit of spent grain from the brewing process and a little bit of pretzel salt here, just to give the dough a little bit extra blast of flavor. We have a very special sauce for it, essentially our roasted red peppers, and we're gonna blend these up. This one we don't have to do a lot, just enough to give it a nice base here. Handful of cheese here. We have our house-made sausage. We do make this ourselves. And then next up is that broccoli rabe, just cut up there. Finish it off, we do these little cubes of provolone here. Just throw little pepper flakes on there, nothing too much.
We have a nice cold plate here for our salad. And the base of it is going to be this spring garlic ricotta. It's a little bit more tender, but it has a lot of flavor. So we took that and mixed it with some of our house-made ricotta cheese. We have this nice little spread that we're going to do right in the bottom of the cold plate here.
Thank you so much for joining us at Here Now Brewing Company. If you want any more information about us, please visit us at herenowbrewing.com.
We're also on the Pocono Beverage Trail, so for more information, check out PoconoMountains.com. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the Pocono Tourism YouTube channel and click the bell button below to be the first to watch new videos. You can also click the link on the screen to watch more episodes of Pocono Mountains Magazine.